My appearance is a bit different. I don't know if it's from transplant or if it's just from CF. I'm kind of small. I'm growing now because everything's quite alright. But my body was taking so much energy to breathe and stay in an okay state. I kind of look like I'm 11, 12. That's what I usually get. I still buy kids' movie tickets, which is really good actually.
And I lost a lot of friends because I was here, and it's just, like, I go back and I don't really hang out with anyone anymore, and people look at you differently. Like when you have like a kidney disease or you're gonna have a heart transplant or something, everyone looks at you completely different, like something's like physically wrong with you, like not like physically, but like, I can't think of the word right now, and they think you're like contagious or something, so they just like stray away from you. And then when you come back, it's like, when I came back, I had a really like puffy face from the prednisone. Everyone's like, Sydney, is that you? I'm like, really? You can't even tell by my clothes it's me? Like, no one like really recognized me, which kind of sucked. And your moods are always change a lot, so it affects your family and friends too that way.
The thoughts of my scar. It's my pride and joy actually, because when I see a girl, I tell her, I raise up my shirt and tell her, say what happened, and I show my friends and my teachers sometimes explain it, and girls like, oh my god, what happened? I was like, it's so horrible. I tell them, and some of the girls have an idea of what it is, others don't, but when I actually tell them, and I tell them the story, they're all impressed. And my friends, my male friends are like, oh man, I wish I had a scar, because then I had a good story to tell the girls. So I'm like, too bad, it's my scar, I can't share it. So I love my scar, my pride and joy. Yeah, overall, I just like it.
I think that my scar has affected my life just a bit, because like during the summertime I can't like wear like a bikini or something. Like I try and hide it as much as I can.
My scars, because I'm almost 3 years out, they're pretty much non-existent. I had a G-tube before surgery, so I could like get food through it during the night because I was so underweight from working so hard to breathe. So that kind of left a nasty little scar, because it's not really a scar, it's just kind of like a second belly button, only smaller. And I don't really like that, but it goes away eventually. No, scars don't really bug me because I don't parade around in like a bikini all the time.
My scar, well, it's not as big, it's small. It's a good scar. They said it's a good scar. It looks okay. Doesn't hurt. I pretty much like it because it's small and I'm not as big, so I don't really worry about how they cut me. It's not it wasn't that bad.
The scar is pretty big. I never thought it was gonna be really big, because kidney's like that big and the scar's like that. Now that shouldn't be scary, because that will scare people to know how big it is, but
in the summertime, when I'm like at the beach with my friends, and they're like laying down in the sun, and I want to, but I can't. I have to like be careful or like put something on.